Experiencing the Excel STOCKHISTORY function not working can be very frustrating. After facing this myself and testing many fixes, I found several methods that truly work, and I'll walk you through them now. This video will show you how to fix Excel STOCKHISTORY function not working error permanently. First, Excel needs a clear internet path to fetch stock data. A weak connection or a firewall or VPN blocking Excel means the function cannot retrieve information. Stable internet and correct network settings allow Excel to communicate with data servers properly. Without this, the function fails because it simply cannot reach its source. Next, outdated software often has bugs. Microsoft regularly updates Excel fixing problems, especially for online features like STOCKHISTORY. If Excel isn't updated, it might use old code that struggles with current data servers. Updating ensures your Excel program has the latest fixes and instructions. This keeps your functions running smoothly. Also, Excel stores temporary files in a cache. If this cache becomes corrupt or too full, functions misbehave. The STOCKHISTORY function relies on this cache. A bad cache stops it from processing new data. Clearing these temporary files makes Excel start fresh. This often resolves hidden conflicts, allowing the function to operate as intended. Finally, dates and numbers vary by region. If your computer's regional settings don't match what the STOCKHISTORY function expects from its data source, it gets confused. Mismatched settings make Excel misinterpret your request. Aligning these settings helps Excel understand the data correctly, preventing this common error.